Welcome back to Reels to Meal. Today we are making Italian classic Spaghetti Aglio e Olio. For this you will require extra virgin olive oil, spaghetti pasta, Parmesan cheese, a lot of fresh garlic, chili flakes and fresh parsley. I have kept water for boiling to cook our pasta. Meanwhile, the water is boiling. I am thinly slicing our garlic, a lot of it. After that, I am finely chopping the fresh parsley. This dish is quite simple with very few ingredients, but has a lot of aroma and flavor. Finely chop the parsley. And now we are ready to make our pasta. Our water has come to a boil. To this I am adding 3 teaspoons of salt and I'll drop in the spaghetti. While the pasta is cooking, let's prepare the aromatic oil. A generous amount of extra virgin olive oil on low heat. Do not rush this on high heat. I am adding the sliced garlic, let the garlic sit in the oil on low heat and release its aroma. Be careful, we want a nice and golden color but not brown. To this, now I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of red chili flakes and give it a nice mix. Let it cook on low heat, releasing all the aroma. As you can see, our garlic is nice and golden. And our pasta is also cooked till al dente. Do not overcook it. I'll add the spaghetti to the oil. Along with that, I'll add 2 ladles of the pasta water, which contains the starch, which will help us to coat the spaghetti with all the ingredients. Give it a nice stir till the spaghetti is nicely coated with the oil. Taste for salt and adjust as liking. Add the chopped parsley and give it a nice mix. Now you can turn off the gas. And you can see the spaghetti is nicely coated with the oil, garlic, chili flakes and parsley. Now it's time for plating. Plate your spaghetti nice in the center. Add a generous amount of grated Parmesan cheese or processed cheese if you don't have Parmesan. And there you have it, guys. Very simple recipe, Spaghetti Aglio e Olio. Please do try this at home. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to Reels to Meal. And I'll see you in the next video.